great-grand slime.
This is my great-grand slime.
So hello everybody. And
So this is our great-grand slime, and she's kind of in great pain and in the hospital right now.
Okay, so by the name of the video, you can probably learn that we have learned many things.
Yeah, and the doctors didn't seem very smart either. In the makings of fixing this slime entirely, this also happened over here.
And this is about the worst slime I've ever had.
That's our other great-grand slime, who is still in the medical room because... Can I have that slime?
It looks alive.
She kind of didn't heal properly. Yeah. This also happened. And when I pour in this clear glue, it's going to turn directly into slime.
And if you'll follow me, you'll
So here's some glue in my hand. Pour it in. Mix.
You'll
It's slime now. Purple slime. So we kind of, So see this?
If you
It's slime.
If you can look down here, you can see
a little bit of the problems the doctor had. I would never hire them to fix your great-grand slimes.
Yeah, that's my slime.
If you have any great-grand slimes and they get hurt, don't bring them to this doctor.
Specifically the two doctors that begin with the name S and E.
As in super bad slimer and extremely bad slimer.
Not this E. This E.
This is an extremely bad slimer, and I'm super bad slimer.
And if you'll look over here,
this also happened.
you can see that lots of messes were made.
And there's this huge mess that is extremely painful to me. So as you follow the white slime foam dots, soap was added into the slime. You can see this. This happened
We're gonna clean
I'm
this up.
fixing the slime. This happened.
And we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna clean this up.
Yeah, the slime doctor said they wouldn't. And we also kind of over-jiggled the slime a little tiny itsy-weetsy bit. A little bit, like a tiny bit. Like, we kind of listened to the internet, and the internet was totally wrong. So, never trust the internet. Bye, everyone! Slime time!
And most of all, remember
To never listen to the internet!
they tell you very bad fake things. Here you go, so.
And you're going to watch YouTube videos that explain how to make slime, because it's all movie magic.